absolutely brutal on the road. I can't even, my words aren't even coming out of my mouth. What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video, or I should say tonight's video. We are here in front of the shop. Behind me I have our Revolto. This is not going to be the main subject of today's video, but I want to show you guys a little something we've been working on here at Bespoke. We have been working on our own exhaust. This one is fitted with a full race system. This is going to be our own branded exhaust. We also have tuning available if you wanted to get your car tuned, or if you're just looking for an exhaust system, we got you either way. But like I was saying, this car does have that full race exhaust system. This is the first one we've done with this specific exhaust system. Many more to come in here in the future. Since it's the first one, I have it here outside of the shop. We are going to start it up right now, get a cold start. Without a doubt, this is the best sounding Revolto I have ever heard, online and in person. Obviously, I've only heard a couple in person that are straight piped, if not only like one or two, this being one of them. So I might be a little biased, but I don't think I am. I want you guys to take a good listen to this Revolto and give me your opinions in the comments. I will stop talking. I will get inside of this Revolto and start it up for you guys. So in all of the reels that we posted on Instagram of all of these cars, we hide the exhaust, or I guess the microphone for the exhaust, somewhere on the back end of the car, because that's how I get all the exhaust audio and all the reels and all the videos you guys have seen of all the cars. I don't like to clip any exhaust audio, obviously, especially with this having the FI race exhaust system. We want to get some true exhaust audio for you guys, as well as some flames. So we got to figure out a way or a place we can put this microphone so that we get the best results here. So give us a moment. Kind of clipped underneath the license plate, but from the back you can obviously not really see it. So So we are here at our destination. We are in front of the Diamondback Stadium. We've taken, I believe, 2 cars here. We did 2 Revoltos. This is the first McLaren that I've done here. So you guys just saw some rollers of this thing. Absolutely brutal on the road. Flames everywhere. We're gonna get some more on the way back to the shop here. I just finished up with all of the content. Make sure you follow our Instagram at Bespoke, or our other Instagram, CB_Auto Salon, where we post everything cars. If you love cars, you love our stuff, and you want to see more crazy things like this, make sure you follow our Instagrams. If you watched our most recent video, the reveal of this car, you did see I went over the entire car, kind of explained it. But if you're new and this is the first time you are seeing this car, I'll give you a very brief walkthrough, but I'll also link that video of the entire reveal of this car. I went through absolutely every single detail. Obviously, we have a Zakoi Widebody kit on here. This is blue carbon with black carbon as well. But this is a Galaxy Widebody from Zakoi. Looks amazing on this car. Coming over to the wheels here, it is lowered on RYFT Suspension with MvForged wheels. We have blue carbon disc on the front wheels here, but it adds or accentuates the rest of the blue accents on this car, makes it really, really nice. Coming into the interior of the car, when I open the door here, we did a full custom interior here. We did a blue, white, and black leather theme here. It goes really well with the blue carbon on the outside, especially since this is a Spider. You see that interior a lot. So when it comes to Spider cars, interiors are very, very important because you see so much more of it. Coming back to the rear of the car, we have a FI center exit 765 LT style exhaust system. Obviously, this is the full system, so that's downpipes and a catback. So that's why we're getting some flames out of this thing. I think my favorite angle of the 720 is from the front the face card this car has. If this car asked me for anything, it'd be yes. It would never be no, unfortunately. One thing with this kit, it doesn't take away any of the performance. This is still a McLaren 720s, even though it has a wide body kit, it's lowered, wider wheels. This car still performs and acts like a McLaren 720s. If you guys want to see every single little detail about this car, we did make a YouTube video. Make sure to check that out. I will link that here in the description. If you haven't seen it, I went through the entire car and some of the other crazy cars that we have for sale right now. So definitely take a look at that video. I will stop talking here. We're going to set the camera back up on my car and we are going to head back to the shop. I'll get you guys some more flames, some more exhaust audio, and yeah, I think that will be the end of our night.